Okay, students, before moving on to your next exercise, first exercise of the factors and multiples rather, exercise 2A, page number N 23 and 24, I would like to teach you, a test of divisibility, because, in exercise 2A, you need to find out some number, whether it is a factor of the a greater number is given to you, is not. To do that, no, test of divisibility will be, very effective. Children, this particular aspects of mathematics will help you to find out whether the large number is divisible by some of the one digit number or not. So that we'll see. If you have got the concrete conception about, test of divisibility, then you will be able to find out the factor easily. That is what I took this test of divisibility first. So we'll learn our test of divisibility in thorough. Test of divisibility by one digit number, actually one, I mean two, one can divide every number, 2, 3, 4, 5 and all. Let us see in this video. See, I have taken some number. Can you see? 3245, 9620. Here it is, 17,25,498, and here again 34,929, and here it is 78,300. These numbers I have picked. Some numbers I picked of my own. Simply I picked it. Let us see what which all numbers are divisible by what are the one digit number. Okay, we'll begin with 2. See, 2 is a number. 2 can divide all the even numbers. The definition of even number itself is that all the number getting divided by 2 are called even number, isn't it? So all the even number, how will you know whether a large number is even number or not? That's a question. A larger number, whether it's even number or not, how do you know? Last digit, that is unit digit, you need to see. Only unit digit see. Let the number be very big one. But the unit digit, that means right hand most digit you see. The digit in the ones you see. If they are even, that means the digit at the one place should be 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. If the unit digit is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the number will be definitely divided by 2. You can take it granted. See, among this given number, you see unit digit here is 5, which is not either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Here is 0, so this number can be divisible by 2. Here is 8. I am seeing only unit digit, I am not seeing other number, other digits. So this is 8. So 8 is a even number, no? 8, unit place has to be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. I said to 8. Now you see 9, it's odd one, it will not be. So this number, complete number will be divisible by 2. Next is 0, again it will be picked for 2. Could you understand? So all those number, unit digit has to be 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. They are divisible by 2. I hope you have understood. Now moving on to question divisibility by 3. Which all number are divisible by 3? See, to ensure divisibility by 3, you need to take out the summation of the digits of the number. A larger number is there, no? You'll have to add all the digits. And adding, if you are finding it is divisible by 3, then the number will be divisible by 3. That means, if you are adding the digits, then the summation comes like 3, 6, 9, 12, multiples of 3, I am telling you what. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are multiples of, after summation, if that comes the under the multiplications, multiples that are the multiples of 3, the number will be divisible by 3. Let us check example. See, this digit you add the digit, as this number you add all the digit. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 4, 9 plus 5, 14. 14 is not divisible by 3. 14 is not the multiple of 3. Now you take this 9 plus 6 is 15, 15 plus 2, 17. Again it is 17 is not the multiple of 3. Now you take this 7 plus 1, 8 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 9 is 27, 27 plus 8 is 36, 27 plus 27 it came. Let me see, 8 plus 2, 10, 10, 15, 15, 19, 19 plus 9 is 28 plus 8 is 36. The summation of the digit is 36 for this large number. See, this is a big number, but you have just added within a second, and then the summation comes 36. 36 is a multiple of 3, therefore means 36 is divided by 3, therefore this number also will be divided by 3. This number is divided by 3. Understood? Now moving on to this number, let us see. 3 plus 4, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 2 is 18, 18 plus 9 is 27. Again 27 is a multiple of 3, or 27 is divided by 3, so this number also will be picked as it is divisible by 3. Now let us move on to this. 8 plus 7, 7 plus 8 is 15 plus 3, 18, 18 plus 0 means 18 only, so this also number will be divisible by 3. I hope you have understood. When you add the digits and that are divisible by 3, that will be divisible by 3. It's okay. Now moving on to divisibility by 4. Which all numbers are divisible by 4? You need not to see whole number, you need to see right hand side two number, ones and tens, unit digit and the 10 digit you need to see. Unit digit 10 digit together, it should be 0 0, either 0 0, or this 2 digit should be divisible by 4. Could you understand? Last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. Let us see. I will consider 45 for it. 45 will not be divisible by 4 because 45 is not the multiple of 4. This 2, this 20, last 2 digit I said to you, unit digit and the 10 digit. So 20 is divisible by 4. 20 is the multiple of 4. So this number also will be divisible by 4. Now this number you see 98. Can 98 be divided by 4? Divide and see. 4 2 is 8. 8 will be sitting under 9. So subtraction will be 1. 1 and 8 is 18. 18 will not be. So this number will not be. This number 2 you see. No, it will not be. This 2 again 0 0. I said you last 2 digits has to be 0 0 or last 2 digit has to be divisible by 4. So this number is 0 0. So therefore it is also divisible by 4. I hope you have understood divisibility of 4. Moving on to divisibility of 5, which is simplest one. Divisibility of 5 and 10 are very simple. Divisibility of 5 is, the unit digit has to be 5 or 0. 5 or 0. If the unit digit one place is 0 or 5, that number will be divisible by 5. Here is 5, so this number will be divisible by 5. Here is 0, this number also will be divisible by 5. Here 8, it is neither 5 nor 0, so it will not be. 9, neither 5 nor 0, it will not be. 0, this number also will be divisible by 5. I hope you understood it. Moving on to 6. 6 is equal to 2 into 3, isn't it? All the number divisible by 2 and 3 both will be divisible by 6. First of all, all the odd number divisibility, even number divisibility if you want to check, after 2, 4, 6, 8, then it has to be first of all even number. Don't try with the odd number. You see the last digit is the odd one, then don't try with that. Only even number you try. So what will you do? 6, that number has to be divisible by 2 and 3, I said to you. So all the even number divisible by 3 you see. All the even number divisible by 3. If it is an odd number divisible by 3, you don't have to try. So here it is a odd number. Don't try for 6. Here it is a even number. So you have to try whether it is divisible by 3 or not. Even number means divisible by 2. So all the even number divisible by 3 will be divisible by 6. So 9 plus 6, 15 plus 17. 17 is not divisible by 3. It will not be. So this one 36 came, no? Summation of the digit came 36. 36 and here is a even number. 36 is divisible by 3. So this number also will be divisible by 6. I hope you have understood it. Now again this number, the odd number. So I will not try it. This is an even number. Let's just see whether it is divisible by 3 or not. 15 plus 18, yes, it is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number also will be divisible by 6. 6 divisibility, how will you do? The number has to be divisible by 2 and 3 both. But we have learnt that all the even number which is divisible by 3 will be divisible by 6. Because even number are obviously divisible by 2. Got it? Now, let us learn about 7. 7 is little different here. 7 for the two large number, this law will not be very effective. That time you divide and see. But if it is a 2-digit number, 3-digit number, I will tell you the rule. Rule is that double the unit place. Unit place is here 7. I have taken these all examples. Unit place is 7 for this 427. Double this multiply by 2, 14, and subtract from the remaining. If you subtract from 42, 14, then how much you will get? 28. 20 is divisible by 7. So after making the unit digit double, if you subtract from the remaining digit, and if the subtraction comes 0, 0, or subtraction is divisible by 7, then it will be divisible by, the whole number will be divisible by 7. So this is divisible by 7. Why? Because unit digit is double and subtracted from the remaining digit, and which is coming for 28, and 28 is divisible by 7. It has to be either 0, 0 or divisible by 7. Now let us take this subject, this one. 6 to the 12. 12, you are subtracting from 19. You are subtracting 12 from 19. How much is? 7. So this number is getting divided by 7 because 7 is divisible. Let us take the 4-digit number. How do you do? It is a little difficult, but you do. 2 times this one. 8. 8 you subtract from 225. You will find 221. 221. Once again you can try for with the same law. Double the unit digit, it will become 2. You subtract from it. For 8 it is becoming 8 you are subtracting for 225. From 225 you are subtracting 8. 4 to the 8. Then how much it is coming? It will become something like 217. 217 is divisible by 7 because unit digit double is 14. 14 if you divide, subtraction 7 will become 7 is divisible by 7. So these all numbers are divisible by 7 because the double of the unit digit, subtracting the remaining numbers, and that are either 0, 0 or multiples of 7. So that are. Now moving on to 8. 8 again just like 4. I said all the even number divisibility, if it is not even number, don't try at all. Okay. So what will you do? 8, no, 4 last two digits was 0 or divisible by 4. Here 8 last 3 digit has to be 0, 0, 0 or last 3 digit has to be divisible by 8. Let us take some example. Here 3 digit is 0, 0. All the number having 3 digit last 0. Last means the ones, tens, 100 column, 3 column. Could understand? It has to be 0, 0, 0. That will be divisible by 8 or last 3 digit you see. Only last 3 digit. That is ones, tens and 100 digit. That has to be divisible by 8. Here it is 8, so it will be divisible by 8. Last 3 digit is 6, 0, 6, 0, 1, 6 means 16 is divisible by 8. Last 3 digit 2 to 4. 2 to 4 is also divisible by 8. We just divided 8 to the 16 and 6, 64, 8 is the 64. So this is divisible. This complete will be divisible by 8. Moving on to 9, similar law like 3. All the digit summation you take out, that has to be divisible by 9. The summation of the digit should be the multiple of 9. It will be divided by 9. Let us check. This was 36. I know you just added the digit sum. It is 36. So this 36 is divisible by 9. Therefore, it will be divisible by 9. Now, out of this one came 27. I think no. Say 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 9 is 27. So this is 27 is divisible by 9, therefore it will be divisible by 9. Moving on to this number also, it is coming what? 18. 18 is divisible by 9, so it will be divisible by 9. So all the digit summation has to be divided by 9, the number will be divided by 9. Moving on to 10, the simplest law as I said to you earlier, 5 and 10. 10 last digit has to be 0. That means unit digit has to be 0. Blindly you say it. In this, which is unit digit 0, this one and this one, these two numbers are divisible by 10. Okay. Now moving on to 11. 11 is little different, I to understand. 11, you have to make even place and odd place. How will you do even place and odd place? See, I will tell you. 11, these are alternate digit. This with this, 3 with 4. If you add the even digits and if you add the odd digits, then after addition, both the summation, if you subtract, that has to be 0, 0 or divisible by 11. So if you add this, it will become 6, and this will become 7, and this you add it, it will become 7. 7 minus 7 is 0. Therefore, this number also will be divisible by 11. That means even places and odd places. Even places, all the digit you will add, you will keep the summation. Odd places you will add, keep the summation. Both the summation you will subtract. On subtraction you will get 0 or the multiple of 11. 11, 22, 33, 44. If you get it, then that will be divisible. Let us see this 9, 2 and 18. If you add it, 9 2 plus 2 is 11, 11 plus 8 is 19. And if you add these two places, 7 plus 1 is 8, 19 minus 8 is 11. So 11 is divided by 11, no? So therefore this number also will be divided by 11. I hope you have understood it. 11 law, once again, I repeat, you make any number you take, 7, 3, 2, 5, 9. These all are odd places. You know, alternate digit. You take 7 plus 2 plus 9. How much is coming? 9, 18, no? 18. And 3 plus 5, how much is coming? 7, 8. On subtraction, how much you are getting? 10. 10 is either it has to be 0, 0 or it has to be 11 or multiple of 11. That is 11, 22, 33. It is 10, so it will not be divisible by. This will not be divisible by 11. I hope you have understood it. Moving on to 12. 12 is the product of 3 and 4. All those numbers divided by 3 and 4 will be divided by 12. Children, I said you all the even number divisibility. If it is not even number, don't try it. So 12 also, all those numbers divisible by 3 and 4 also. Just check, because last two digit also you have to see that all the even number last two digit has to be divided by 4 and it has to be divided by 3 also. It has to be always a even number. Now 15 is the product of 3 and 5, so all the number divided by 3 and 5 both will be divided by 15. This is all about the test of divisibility. You can go once or twice to this video. I am sure you will be understanding about the test of divisibility, and which is very important to solve these factors and multiples especially, and other aspects of maths. Doubt if any, you are always welcome.